Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing all fine. I just wanted to do it a little bit differently today. Just say hi to you because normally you only see my painting and my hands and not my face. And it's been a while. I've been doing 50 plus videos now, and I thought just saying hi, getting to know you a little bit better. So if you have any questions, you can always put it in the comments. If you want to see something like a different style of painting or me using some tools that you've never seen before, just if you have any ideas, just put them in the comments and I'll see if I can make a video for you. So I hope everybody is excited to paint, and let's get on to painting them. So bye guys! So today we're doing a reversed flower dip poured over the underside of a plastic bottle. And it only has 5 channels. I wanted to find one with 6, but I couldn't find any. And we're also gonna need a paper napkin and something to make it wet with. And I use a water in a can. So just a spray, it's an aerosol. And I sprayed it on my paper napkin, and then I can use it for my flower dip. I wanted to do 2 rounds of colors. I'm only using my cheaper crafts paints. These probably dry. These dry matte. And I think they're still a little bit thick because I'm seeing that they're not wanting to move as freely as they should. So I just blew my paint down, and I'm gonna make some petal shape. Pull this out. Okay. And now I'm gonna switch it. Okay, so these were my warm colors, and I'm gonna do my cool colors, and I'm gonna start these off with the copper. Okay, sorry for the change in lighting, but it was getting really dark and I still wanted you to see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna pull these colors through. I think I'm gonna do another pour just with the copper in it because it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pull this. Let's see if it wants to go to the center. And in the meantime, I'm gonna add some paint to the sides just to make it easier for the paint to flow. I waited a little bit and it did come in, but not as far as I thought, and I just realized I made a mistake. I should have put down a base first, even though it should have been just a really thin base. It should have been a base because my paints are not gonna flow as nicely. So I'm still hoping I'm gonna get a flower, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. So just let's torch some bubbles. I'm not gonna be too bothered with this area because I know if I'm doing the lifting of my napkin, it will drag more paint into it. So I don't know if we're gonna get the nice result as Fiona does, but at least we can try. So I don't think I did a really good job with my napkin. Okay, I'm just lightly making sure it's touching everywhere. My flower. Not pushing, but just lightly touching the paint to the napkin. I'm probably still doing it too hard, but it's like my second, maybe third try on this. Now comes the hard part. I'm gonna probably have to move you out of the way. Hold on a second. Okay, so I need a little bit more space, so I move the camera. Let's get her up. My points. Ooh. I got a flower. Just gonna wait for the paint to move back to the center. So let's change my camera angle again. Okay. So I've changed my lighting again. I'm going to dip my finger in the paint. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna dip it once. Ooh. That actually is just perfect. I'm gonna change it. I've got it on my spin table. So I'm hoping that if I spin it, I will get a little bit more lacing. So let's go round and round. Let's just torch. So it didn't come out as I expected because that was my mistake. My paints were too thick. My base was dry. But I really like how it's looking. So let's hope it dries nicely and I will show you the finished result. So thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you really liked it, and yeah, I'll show you the dry results. Bye!